Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can optimize your Windows 10 of course, for gaming. So if you're a PC gamer, all you have to do is use this setting. This is a basic setting. You can tweak your Windows 10 performance by doing this. So the first thing to do is, if you mess up before you change anything to your PC, you can create your restore point here. Click it, and here we go. You can create your restore point for drive that have system protection turned on. So if you mess up, you can go back, revert to your default Windows system setting. You can create, the name is up to you. I use the default one, and then creating restore point now. Now you can close. Done. Next step is high precision event timer in a device manager. So you can go to the system device, search system device on device manager. You can search the device manager here in the control panel. Here you can disable it. This one, high precision event timer. You can disable this one. So if you think this mess up your PC, you can re-enable. It's up to you, but I usually disable this high precision event timer. Close the device manager, and then let's try to delete a temporary file. Just use run feature here and use tamp, okay, and this is all temporary file. You can delete it. This is a junk. You can save delete, and then once again, but with different with a percent symbol here, and in the front here. This is more temporary file. You can control A. Let's see how many size the file here. So you can free up the space here, about 500 megabyte. So free space here. So done. And the next step is a power plan. So if you use a laptop, you have to adjust your power plan. Sorry, the power. Let's just type power plan here. Or just a power. Let's see how. So here in the control panel, hardware and sound power options. Here you can change plan settings. So go with, if you use the AMD Ryzen, choose balance, or you can use high performance. You can adjust your plan setting like this. You can change advanced power setting in here. So feel free to try. You can search on the internet what best for your PC. Especially if you're an Intel user. And the next step is storage sense. You can type sense, this one. You can turn on storage sense that can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. So you can turn on this storage sense. And then advanced system here. You can use these advanced systems. You can go to the performance options, so you can choose what best for you. So if you're running a low end or just an old PC, you can go just with adjustment for best performance. Don't go to let Windows choose what best for your computer. just go with adjust for best performance. But if you don't mind, you have a, you know, like enthusiast or high-end PC laptop, you can go with adjust for best appearances. And here we go at transparency. So you can go to the personalize and use a color. Here you can turn off transparency effect. So if you turn on, here there is a transparent effect here. It consumes memory, so you can turn off the transparency effect here. Next is a startup. You can go to the task manager by right click on the toolbar, a taskbar, and click startup here. So let's see the status. Try to disable the unnecessary or unneeded application or software that can slow your boot when you start and turn on your PC. You can disable that by right click and disable. And then background app, don't forget about here background apps. So you can turn off the background app here. For example, I don't use Cortana here, Feedback Hub, Films and TV, Game Bar, Maps. Yeah, sometimes I'm use it. Microsoft, yes. OneNote, blah blah blah, Snip and Sketch. No need. Just turn off unnecessary app on your background systems. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.